Now the exercise 5.2 arithmetic progressions. The first question is fill in the blanks in the following table. Given that A means first term, D the common difference, and An the nth term of AP. This table is given. In this table every question, 5 questions are given. In every question there is one unknown. That unknown we have to find out. So the solution we proceed of this question, the mainly used formula to solve this question is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So in the first part a is equal to 7 given, d common difference 3 given, n number of term 8 given, and we have to find the an. The formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So we will put the values a 7 plus n 8 minus 1 and d 3. So on calculating, this will become 7 3 are 21, 7 plus 21. The answer comes out to be 28. So an comes out to be 28. This is the answer of the first part. Then now B, in which common a is equal to minus 18 first term, then common difference d we have to calculate, then n number of term that is 10, and an that is equal to 0. Again using the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d, we will put the values an 0, a minus 18 plus n 10 minus 1, and d we have to calculate. So we will carry 18 towards the other side, it will become plus sign. So 10 minus 1 d, which we can write as 9d. So from this we can calculate 18 divided by 9, 2. So 2 is the answer of this part. Now part C of first question, in which we have to calculate first term a, then d common difference is given minus 3, then n number of terms given 18, and an is given minus 5. Again using the formula an, a plus n minus 1 d. Now putting the values an minus 5, a we have to calculate plus n minus 1, n is 18 minus 1, and d is minus 3. So minus 5 is equal to a plus 18 minus 1 17 multiplied by minus 3. It comes out to be a minus 51. So we will carry 51 to the other side. E will comes out to be 51 minus 5. It will comes out to be 46. So this is the answer of the third part. Now fourth part of first question. That is a is given 2 minus 18.9, common difference d is 2.5, then n we have to calculate, and an is equal to 3.6. The formula now an is equal to a plus n minus 1, D. So we will put the values 3.6 is equal to minus 18.9 plus n minus 1 2.5 D's value. So we will carry now 18.9 towards the other side. It will becomes of positive value. 3.6 plus 18.9 is equal to n minus 1 2.5. So it will become 22.5 on adding n minus 1 2.5. Now we will calculate n minus 1 is equal to 22.5 divided by 2.5. We will cancel the point with point. It will can be written as 225 divided by 25. 25 9 ja 225. So n minus 1 comes out to be 9. So n comes out to be 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So this is the answer of this part. Now the last part of the first question is, in which we have given a is equal to 3.5, d is equal to 0, then n 105, and we have to calculate an. The formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Now we will insert the values in the formula. A is 3.5 plus 105 minus 1 multiplied by 0. Since this is multiplied by 0, it will come out as 0. So the answer will be 3.5. So with this we have completed the first question.